So I walked from the school, forgot to miss a floor. Woke up when the sun set, there's cobwebs on the shoes. Trapped in my purgatory with nothing to lose but my mind and my sense of time melting confused.
And they do it all again too. Never kill myself inside my own room.